Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious kimchi ramen. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need 1 packet of instant ramen, about 1 cup of kimchi, and your preferred protein, perhaps an egg or some tofu. Don't forget fresh aromatics like garlic, ginger, and green onions. Also, have 1 tablespoon of gochujang, 1 teaspoon of gochugaru, and a dash of sesame oil ready to elevate the flavors. Now, let's build that incredible flavor base. In a small pot, heat 1 tablespoon of sesame oil over medium heat. Add 1 clove of minced garlic and a half teaspoon of grated ginger, sautéing for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Next, stir in about a half cup of kimchi and 1 tablespoon of gochujang, cooking for another minute. Finally, pour in 2 cups of water or vegetable broth and bring it to a rolling boil. With our flavorful broth boiling, it's time for the star of the show, the ramen noodles. Carefully add your instant ramen noodles and the seasoning packet to the pot. Cook for approximately 2 to 3 minutes, stirring gently to ensure the noodles separate and cook evenly until they are perfectly tender. Now, gently place your chosen protein, like a soft-boiled egg or some sliced tofu, into the ramen. Sprinkle with a half teaspoon of gochugaru for an extra kick. To finish, let's add some delightful garnishes. Sprinkle generously with freshly chopped green onions for a burst of freshness and a beautiful color. For an extra layer of richness and flavor, you might consider adding a perfectly soft-boiled egg or even a slice of American cheese, a popular Korean addition. Drizzle with a few drops of sesame oil. Serve your homemade kimchi ramen immediately and enjoy every warm, spicy, and incredibly satisfying spoonful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.